Hello, this is the
Cat.
and Chimp Show. So, what are we gonna do first today?
I don't know. You always asking me to do stuff. Nobody cares about me. You never listen to me. You never ask me what I need. What do you need, Jimmy? What do you need? Well, you know what I need. You know what I want.
Calm down.
You don't tell me to calm down, man. 'Cause
Here we go again.
you're always being so insensitive and so energetic when I really just want you to slow down. Why don't you take some crack? No, that'll make you all hyper. Take some LSD. That'll mellow you down. Yeah.
You want to show them our new theme song?
What theme song?
Our theme song.
What theme song?
Okay. Well, we'll do it. One sec. We have to find it.
Time is
Don't have a heart attack on me.
Man, time is such an illusion. You people really need to just find yourselves.
Okay, here it is. That was it. Yeah, that was awesome, wasn't it, guys? It went shorter this time.
What went shorter?
The video this time.
Yeah, that's right. I have an obsession with that 70s shows. You guys should deal with it and accept me for who I am. 'Cause I'm just cool like that.
Well, let's do a doop, okay?
Shut up.
He said shut up to y'all fans. He doesn't care. He cares about his music.
No, I only care about my nachos. Screw the fans. Screw all this.
Did you hear that? He likes nachos. Well, I say I like corn dogs better.
Nachos are way cooler than corn dogs.
Corn dogs taste better. Well, let's get out of the food discussion. I'm hungry now. You evil person.
Why are we even putting this on YouTube?
We're being retards.
You're being a retard. I don't know. I'm just there and I'm being a person and I'm doing stuff and I'm there and I'm just looking at things, random things, like my eyes are wandering and I'm talking into a microphone and